Olas. Okay. Lasso. That's it. Now, ah, ha, ah, ha kosong. Natsu, ha kosong. Ah, ha, ah. Then in that we have ka, 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 na, cha, 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 nya, ta, 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 na, pa, 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 ma, za, 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 wa, sha, sa, a, ya, ra, la, sha, sa, ha, ah. How goes on? We all know these letters. How goes on now? And we all know which category goes, oh, which word goes under which category. Okay? Hmm? So we all know that ah and ha doesn't change the sound when there is a prefix or superscript. Only ah category changes, right? And we know how the sound changes. It's either higher or more bass. Higher like a nya to nya, bolder like a ka to ga, tha to the, like this. Okay? These are very easy, very basic. We already did that. Then we learn some very simple question like di karere, te karere, ditso karere, tetso karere, like this. Agosma, dedua, di karere, ditso karere. We learned this already. Agosma, di tang di mikre, di na re, di sa re, like this. Agosma, okay? Then we learn simple question like kong su re, kerang su yin. We learned that. Or kongso sure, if this plural. Agosma. Then we learn like kerang kane yin, kong kane re, kerang ki tropo kane re, kerang ki achala kane re. Like this. We learned this. Agosma. Oh. Then we learned grammar called delta, a connection particle that connects. Agosma. Okay? Delta. Perna. Keranki, this key. How goes one? Keranki Ming Karere. Like this. Oh, Keranki Achaki Ming Karere. Tebdi Sure. Like this. Tebdi Sure. Tebdi Sonya ki repe. Tebdi Yenhung ki repe. Tebdi Wangmo yi repe. Anything. How goes one? We learned that. Very good. Okay. Olas. Something like chalak di keranki repe. We learn chalak things, anything. Chalak di keranki repe. Chalak di keranki repe. Like this. Chalak di keranki repe. Like this. How goes on? Okay? Very good. Now, do you have any question about connection particle, how it works? And any question, if you have any doubt. Yo Marwa, lasso. Di apochasom. Delta hakosom. Hakosoma. Di ngeres. Di ngeres. Like this. Di konki mare. Di ngere. Like this. Hakosoma. Di Mark ki mare. Di ngere. Di Marcelo ki mare. Di ngere. Like this. How goes delta? Oh yeah. So if we notice delta and this simple, who is he, all this sentence ends in yin, re, redu. How goes one? Okay? We call them identifications, right? Hmm? Nga tenzin yin, kong dolma re, di kapar re, di thep re. Like this, all this. Nge ming tenzin re, nga pene re. Anything, nga pene yin. Hmm? All this identification. Agosma sentence ending in these three. Okay? Hmm? Then we have this one little bit tricky. It's a identification with the O moment. Right? Oh, kong tenzin re minduk. Kong trashi re duk. Like this. Okay? Hmm? For example, if I thought this is Yen Hong, and I said, oh, Yen Hong la trashi delek. Then it was Marcelo, not Yen Hong. Then I would say, oh, Yen Hong re minduk. Marcelo re duk. Like this. At that time, identification, we use re duk. Hakosma. Yin and re. We all know this. When to use. It's easy, common. Hakosma. Okay, that's it. Now we know when to use redo. Hakosma. Oh, in a identification. Okay, that's it. Then we learned sentence ending in ye, re, duk, which talks about existence, where it exists. Kapar is the question we learned from that. Kapar. Ruba? Chalak di, kapar duk. Chalak di, tenzin ki go gangla duk. Like this. How goes one? Okay. Mouse di, kapar duk. Yeah. Let's answer. Let's try. Sonyala in the Sonyala. Mouse di kaparduk. Mouse di. Mouse di kaparduk. Sonyala mute reduk.
Ja. Mouse, die vocabularies. I was very lazy. Nangladuk.
That's it. Very good. Mouse di nangladuk. Now you can say inside of what? Di karire. Di karire.
Lakpa.
That's it. Now let's say it. Mouse di kaparduk.
Mouse, die Lakpa la Nangladuk.
Lakpe nangladuk.
Lakpe, yeah. Yeah.
With the connection particle as the of. Agosuna. Yankel sunta. Mouse di kaparduk.
Mouse, die Lakpe Nangladuk.
That's it. You said duk. You didn't said yure because it's a new knowledge. It's not your common knowledge. You just saw it. You just direct perception like this. Agosuna. That's why you said duk. Okay? Very good. Very good. Fair. Yeah, dine Amandala in the Amandala mouse di kaparduk.
Mouse thì go là đúc.
Fair for go laduk or go gang laduk. Like this.
Mouse thì cố gắng là đúc.
Go marada go with the R.
Good.
Mouse di go 강라둑.
마우스 꽤 강라도.
빼하고 숭숭. 두지체. Very good. 빼하고. 되네야. 뉴르말라인다, 뉴르말라. 뉴르말라, 마우스 디 카파르둑.
Mostly lakpagi Ganglatu.
That's it. Mouse di lakpe 강라둑 or
Oh, lakpe
lakpi
Ganglatu.
강라둑. Very good. 빼하고. 하고숭아. Very good. Don't forget to use that connection particle. 하고숭아. Very good. So we learned duk as a O moment for where it is. 하고숭아. Not for identification. Re duk tang duk. Chikpa mare. 하고숭아. Not same. Okay? Oh yeah, that's it. Then we have a general sentence like ye and yere with the location. For example, let's see. Marcelo la dilo tha.
Tata, taş Starbucks yöre.
Where is the location particle?
Starbucks la yöre.
That's it. Tata Tashi Starbucks la yure. Very good. Okay, very good. Tata Tashi Starbucks la yure. You said yure because it's general knowledge. That's why. Hakosunga. Okay, very good. Niya di lotang. No. Nimala di lotang.
Düşünceli. Kerang kavar çiloklaду. Sorry. Ki di kangpi çiloklaду.
Yeah. Ki hakosunga. Whoa, whoa. Ki di kangpe shilok la duk. That's it. He said duk because it's not general knowledge. Hakosunga. Oh, ki di kangpe shilok la duk. Like this. If it's general knowledge, you can say Kidi Kangpe Chilogla Yuri. Like this. Kidi Kangpe Chilogla Yuri. I'm just doing revision. Hakozunga. Okay? Peyago Nimala Yagulosong. Then we have sentence like this. For yourself, we use this. Yen Hong La Dilotang.
Tatanga nang lao yue.
That's it. Tatanga Nang La Yu. Tatanga Kangpe Nang La Yu. Like this. So we know Nang is inside. Also, it is home. Okay? Home. In this sentence, it's home. Nang la yu. Home la yu. Like this. Akosma. Okay? Very good. Tata nga nang la yu. Like this. Yeah, dine dilorona. Nicolela dilorona.
Lagila, Tashilile.
Dilorona.
Gagarla, Biopa Manpoyore.
That's it. Gyakarla pepa mangpo yore. Peyo. Very good. Gyakarla pepa mangpo yore. Gyakarla Tibetan mangpo yore. Like this. Hakozunga. Okay? Very good. Tujiche Nicolela.
Che.
Olas. Yeah, tene dilota. Wangmola inda. Wangmola dilota.
Europe la 최초 망보 열애.
Europe la Chötsok might be new word. Dharma center. Hakozunga.
아까서 도지체.
Europe la Chötsok mangpo yores. That's it. Europe la Chötsok mangpo yores. That's it. Okay? Very good. Fail. If it's a new word, please write them down. Lasso, fail, loson. Teneya. Dilogin. En clair la, yeah, en clair la, di try chetan.
다시 ngala tep mangpo yere.
That's it. Ngala tep mangpo ye or ye.
Ye.
Ngala
Ngala
tep mangpo ye. That's it. Fail. Tujiche en clair la, yakuloson. Ngala tep mangpo ye. That's it. Okay? Very good. Yeah. Tadi. Yeah, dene darala inda. Darala dilog thang. Hello, darala. 1, 2, 3. Ale, darala ke kogi mindu. We cannot hear you. Hello, darala. We cannot hear you. Hello. Yeah. Darala, dada kogi mindu. We cannot hear you. I will have to move you. Okay. Darala mena. Yeah, di in the jola in the jola. Jola dilo thang.
다시 들려요?
Uh-huh.
You can hear me, yes?
Yes. 거기도.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Markla. Oh no. D. Ka.
Can you hear me now?
Okay. Markla. Karo. Karo mang po yore.
That's it. Makla garok mangpo yore. Makla tep mangpo yore. Makla garok. It's like a girlfriend or boyfriend. There is no gender. Makla girlfriend mangpo yore. Makla boyfriend mangpo yore. Anything. Makla garok mangpo yore. Or Ukulele garok pe mangpo yore. Like this. Or yen hong la garok mangpo yore. Marcelo la garok mangpo yore. How goes like this? Fail. Tujiche jola.
Can you hear me now? So it's girlfriend or boyfriend?
It's no gender. It has no gender.
Yeah. Just friend.
It has no gender. So girlfriend can say to the boyfriend, he is my garok. Kong ye garok re. So boyfriend can say to the girlfriend, Kong ye garok re. So there is no gender. Okay. Magla garok mangpo yure. Like this.
Does it have a different meaning to trokmo and trokmo?
Different than trokmo, right?
Yeah.
It's like a lover.
Okay. Yeah.
Tade makla garok mangpo yuris. Like this. Ani en clair la, kerang la garok mangpo yupe. You can ask that question like this. Kerang la garok mangpo yupe. Like this. Very good. Therefore, like this. Tadine dedua. Yeah, darala, hello.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, okay. Darala dilo tha. That's it. Kong la nyuku ye mare. Ye re. Like this. How goes one?
Yeah.
Kong la nyuku yue mare. Kong la pen yue mares. So when we are learning this yue, you should know the opposite also, okay? Yue me, yue re, yue mare, duk, mi duk. Like this. Very good. Okay. So we saw sentence like this using Latin, right? Latin, showing where it is. Okay, that's it. Then we learned some verbs. Halaksa, chutung, koragap, chutenla, koragap, heplock, Harry Potter ki heplock. Okay, like this. 아니, 네, 칠록라드로, 교육종, 곰잡, 데모타, 넷플릭스다, 타이타닉다, anything. 하고스마, okay, like this. We have some examples of verbs. Chasik. 하고스마. Then we learned chedra, chedra. Okay, chedra. And these particles, we have to put it after the whoever did the action. For example, if you read this, Tata nge with the nga sa nge, this sa is action dual particle. Okay? This sa is a shortcut of hakiku isai, this one. 세상 사직보를 다땅에 한락사기요. Like this. 다땅에 한락사기요. 하고중아, okay? Now let's ask question. 소냐라 다다 가르치기요. 계란기 with the 가키고 기사기. 계란기 다다 가르치기요.
Tata nge pöka tomkiyo
정말 종.
종
음.
종키
벽에 종기요. 벽에 종 or Pyoik Jong Chikpare, Hagosunga, Tibetan language, Pyoik or Pyoke. Tata Nge Pyoke Jongki Ye. Like this. Peyago Sung. Okay. Yeah, ni Tarala inda, Tarala. Tata Keranki Karichiki Ye.
Tata oiki 종키요
Na Mare Nge with the action dual particle. Don't forget it.
Tata nge oiki 종키요
That's it. Tata Nge Pyoke Jongki Ye. That's it. Yeah, Epolina la inda. Epolina la. Oh, Epolina la. Tata. Tata. Sonia ki kariche ki yore. Epolina la duge. Hello. Hello, Wangmola inda. Yeah, Wangmola. Tata Sonia ki kariche ki yore.
Tanta Sonia ki pöke 정기요.
That's it. Tata Sonia ki pöke janki yo or ki yore. Like this. Hakosunga. Okay. Then we have a kiduk here. This one, we have to use it when it's O moment in the present tense. O, tatakonki kalaksakidu. O, tatakonki temotakidu. Like this. Agosuma. Okay? For example, yeah, Marcelo Lainda. 다당에 가르치기도.
Tata keran ki chutun kiduk.
That's it. Fair. 다다 계란기. Very good. 계란기 with the sa. 계란기 추 둥기도. That's it. At that time you use 기도. 아고승아. 다다 계란기 추 둥기도. Very good. Okay? Very good. Fair.
I
Yes.
have a quick question.
Yes.
So, when you asked what Sonia was doing,
Mhm.
could you also use Kiduk for that? Could you also say Tata Sonia ki bu mm, my brain is not working this morning. Studying Tibetan language, Kiduk,
별게
Buki.
정기도. 연결성.
Yeah, because we're in the Tibetan class together and I'm seeing it.
Yes, yes, you are true. You can say that. And if
Okay.
you see it every day and if it's general knowledge, then you can say 기열에. 아고승아.
Okay.
Okay? Like this. Only if it's not general knowledge, then you say 기도 and direct
Okay.
perception. 아고승아.
Okay.
That's it. Otherwise, because Sonia has already said 다당의 별개 정기열, so it became like a general knowledge. We can think of it like that. 아고승아. Then she can say 기열에. Like this. Okay? 다다 소녀
Oh, okay.
별개 정기열에. Like this.
Okay.
아고승아. Very good. Very good question. Any more question about present tense with the action doer particle? 아고승아. 다다 계란기 가르치기열. 오, 다다 콩기 가르치기도. 다다 계란기 족불 가르치기 요리. 하고승아. 오케이? 야, 뉴르말라인다. 뉴르말라. 다다 계란기 아말라기 가르치기 요리.
Tata nge amala
기.
ki
Mhm.
nyal kiyo.
That's it. ཉel기 요리스. ཉel기 요리.
Nyal kiyo.
That's it. Very good. General knowledge 봐. 다가라. 빼요. 야, 에폴리나 라인다. 에폴리나라 다다 계란기 족불 가르치기 요리.
Truthful,
음, 족불 with the action
college,
word particle.
yes,
어,
Drupal, yeah, Tromla Chimpa in.
말해 다다 가르치기 요리. Present tense question. 가르치기
Oh,
요리.
okay, okay,
응?
okay. Dhata, me Drupal, me Drupal, Lobjong Jiki,
다다 이 족불 법정 제기 요리. 기 요리. 하고송한 general knowledge. 다다 이
yes,
족불 법정 제기 요리. 다다 이 족불 법정 제기 요. Also okay. 되게도. 하고송한. Okay? Very good. 빼하고 송송. That's it. That's so. Then any more questions about present tense? Now you know how to use kiduk, when to use kiduk. 하고송아. Okay? Very good. Okay, then we learned depa, ruba. Depa. Okay? depa as a past tense. We also use this for the death, one who passed away. Depa, chomden de, yeah, like this. We use this word for death also. Of course, depa. Hmm? Okay, depa, de. Of course, hmm? Nge, pizza, sapayin. Nge, pizza, sapayin. That's it. Payin, de. Nge, no, pizza. Yeah, let's write this. Sapayin. I just write sa here. Actually, I should write pao sa sa se, but I'm just using this right now to not confuse you. Okay? That's it. Nge pizza sapayin. If I want to be more specific, I would say kasang yesterday. Kasang nge pizza sapayin. Okay? Kasang nge pizza sapayin. Let's say one sentence of past tense. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's start from Makla in the Makla. Makla, you wanna try?
No, again, I need to just listen, please. Sorry. Thank you.
Ini ya, apple in the
uh, na uh, na thang drugmul drugmu nyamdu trum la chinpa in
Very good. Nga thang
drugmu
chokme ruba with the
yeah drugmu
nga thang
yeah
chokme
trum la
nyam
yeah
tu very good.
nyamdu
Chom la chinpa yin ruba. Fail.
trum la chinpa in
Very good. Chom la chinpa yin. Right? Okay, very good. From market re hakosunga. So now you know la at market ruba. Chom la chin lamna went. Hakosunga. Pa yin past tense ruba. Nga thang chokme nyam tu with. Chokmo thanga with nyam tu. Tromla together. Tromla chinpa yin. Like this. Hakosunga. Chokmo thanga nyam tu. Tromla chinpa yin. Spell. Tujiche epolimla. Yaposungsung. Yeah, Jola in the Jola. Let's try one past tense.
Okay. Okay. So let's say nge chu tung puyin.
That's it. Nge chutung pa yin. That's it. Nge chutung pa yin. Payako. Yeah, the name normal in the. Rasha. Normal.
나, 예, 可以, 지파인.
That's it. Nge pyi tripa yin. Tree, right re. Hakosunga, right. Pa yin lamna the road Tibetan language ruba. Nge pyi tripa yin. Payako. Normal la. Yakosungsung. Dene Amanda la in the. Yeah.
Nghe Nghe niên truy ta te te pa yin.
Ale, nyen tri mare, nyen ruba. Because of the prefix or the superscript, the sound became higher. Hakosuma. Pa, ra, nyatak, nya. Ruba. Hakosuma. Oh yeah, fail.
Nghe niên truy te pa yin.
That's it. Nyen trin te pai. I watch television. Nyen trin namna television re. Hakosuma. Okay? Very good. Nyen trin te pai. Fail. Tene ya darala inda.
Yeah. Really?
Darala, past tense labdam.
Masang nghe cũng là ba gì?
Where is the verb? Pasang, nge, tromla, tromla, draw, payin. Agosungi. You can either say kasang nge tromla draw payin or chin payin, like this. Keep in mind, draw, you can use it in all three tense.
Yeah.
But chin is only for past tense. Okay? Pareto chinpa. One already gone beyond. We heard this word. Pareto chimpa. Raba. Gate gate, para sam gate. In Tibetan, they say pareto chinpa. Agosuma. Like this. That's it. Chinpa. Same spelling.
Yeah.
So you notice that chin only for past tense. Draw, you can use it all three tense. Draw pa yin, draw ki yu, draw ki yin, like this. We didn't did past tense before. We only did present tense, right? Okay. So now I'm introducing past tense today. Okay. That's it. Kasange tromla dropa yin. Fair. Very good. Mola so. Tarala sarsong dine wangmola sarsong.
가상 레럭체 링가 동바인.
fair. Kasang kare 양결성당.
가상 레럭체 링가 동바인.
Kasang lerok se linka tong pare ruba. Lerok se linka tong pa yin. Fair. Tong pa yin, tong pare, anything. Hapo sunga. Tuji che linka tong. Hapo sunga. Picnic tong la pia ruba. Linka tong. Fair. Ya, dene nimala inda.
Лагенла.
Nimala depa. Past tense.
Ага. No problem. Не керангилен гокпаин.
That's it. Nge kerang ki len guk pa yin. Fair. Guk is wait. Hako sunga fail. Len lamna answer re. Answer guk by waited for answer labirba. Oh sorry. This has no sa here. Hako sunga. Your answer ruba. Action doer kerang ruba. Chezang nge ruba fail.
Доктора.
Nge kerang ki len guk pa yin. That's it. Fail. I waited for your answers. Fair. Yago sungsung nimala tuji che. Dene ya Nikolela inda. Depala chikla rona.
가상네 chilokla chamcham chimpayin.
That's it. 가상에 실록라 참참침바이. 빼요. 참참 하고송아. 참참 진바인. Like this. 가상에 실록라 outside라 참참 친바인. Very good. 참참 when you go somewhere without aim and planning. So you feel relaxed. 하고송아. Roam around, like wandering.
So it's like Nepali gumne.
Oh, really. घूमने गए. Really. 다가라는데. 네. 가상이 실록라 참참 친바이. That's it. 드네야 마르셀로 라인다.
가상이 레카체 바인.
That's it. 가상이 레카체바이. 왜 아버둑? 야, 드네 옌홍 라인다.
가상예 아말라기 사캉라 공초칼라 뉘바인 뉘바제.
왜요? 가상이 아말라기 사칸라 공도칼라 뉴파레스. 사칸네 랍나 야와두. From 사칸, 봐. 응? 하고승에. 오예.
하고서
가상이 아말라기 사칸네 칼락 뉴파레스. That's okay? 가상이 아말라기 사칸네 칼락 뉴파레스. 뉴 바이레 바이. Buy food, bought food, 봐. That is past tense, 봐. 가상에 아말라키 사칸에 칼락 뉴파레. Right? Fail. Very good. 되네야 소냐 라인다.
Kasang tep lokpayin.
That's it. 가상에 데블록바이. Very good. We all did very well. 하고숭아. 다 하고숭아 데 데파. 가상에 데블록바인. 가상에 실록라 참참 친바인. 가상 나탕 족무 냠투 촘라 친바인 가상의 피자 사바인 가상의 추동바인 가상의 벽에 종바인 가상의 벽이 티바인 가상의 옌틴 때바인 anything 하고승아 가상 소녀기 벽에 종바레 가상 소녀기 데블록바레 가상 옌홍기 아말라기 칼락 뉴파레스. 하고승아 오야. 가상 니말라기 렌 국파레스. 가상 마르셀로기 참참 친파레스. Like this. 하고승아 general knowledge in the past tense. 하고승아 오야. 가상 도널드 트럼프기 press conference chepares. Like this. 하고승아 가상 김정은 기 버거 separes. 하고승아 okay? Just like this, general knowledge. Then if it's past tense plus you witness it, then you say song, song, song. Okay? Oh, 가상 가상 소녀기 탭록송. Like this. 가상 니마기 칼락세송. That's it. All this yin, keep in mind it should be with the verb so that you don't mix up the sentence structure. Verb plus. Okay? 칼락사 yin. 칼락녀 yin. 탭록 yin. 참참드로 yin. 트롬라친 yin. Do not try to translate from English. It will make your sentence no meaning. Stir it up. Keep this in mind. Verb plus yin pare song. Kalaksa song. Teblok song. Kora gyap song. Gom gyap song. Sungchu nang song. Like this. Kasang lama eriki sungchu nang song. Give teaching. Sungchu nang. We can also write this down. Like this. Kasang lama eriki gomde Denmark la sungchu nang song. Like this. Like this. So you say song if it's something you witnessed in the past. If it's general, pare. If it's for yourself, you can say payin or pare. Anything. Okay? Song only you witness it in the past. Yes, please.
Can I say, like I want to say, Kasang cinema hall la demo payin.
Temo tapayin. Tapayin.
Yeah, I forgot
Just,
yes.
if you just say temo, it's a show. Ta is the verb. Okay? That's it. Kasang.
Yes.
야구 거기 민들 달아라. We cannot hear you well.
Yeah, I know because my internet connection here in this area is very bad, So
Okay. But you are right. 가상이 cinema hall demo tapayin. That's it. Very good sentence.
Okay, thank you.
That's it. 가상이 cinema hall demo tapayin. Very good. So today I introduce you the death, the past. Okay? That's it. The sentence in the past, how we express it. 가상이 pizza sapayin. Kasang, we get to know this today. Kasang as a yesterday. 가상이 pizza sapayin. 가상 yen hongki pizza sapare. Oh, 가상 Marcelo ki pizza sasong. Like this. That's how you practice. 가상의 develop payin. 가상 콩키 develop pare. 가상 니콜레키 develop song. Like this. You practice like this. Oh, 가상 니콜레키 develop song. Like this. Okay? If you have anything question about past tense today.
I don't know what questions I have yet.
Yes, please.
So I want to try it. I think I want to try and write some sentences first and then ask. But you take the verbs that we studied before and you add the ending, the
Yes, yes.
bayin, bare, song.
That's it.
Okay.
Nala Grilachikyo. You use phrase sungchonang. It means like a practice of dharma protectors, sungchonang.
Mara. Sungchonang is like a give speech on dharma, like this. That's it.
Tenzin la. So if we want to put some action in the past, we have three options. Web pain, web pare, web song. In what case we will prefer the song?
If you witness it in the past, if yourself witness it.
But if I use pain, I am also have some witness with action. So
that's different, okay? Because we are right now, we cannot witness ourselves. We think we are the doer. That's why we cannot say song for yourself. Right now, if I drink water, I'm thinking I am drinking water. We didn't reach that level that, oh, my body is having water. We haven't reached that level yet. That's why we say pa yin for yourself. Because we can witness others very easily. That's why we use it mostly for others. Sometimes we witness ourselves when it's not routine, when it's not the same pattern, then we witness. For example, if you are having a headache, then you are the one that not doing it. You know it very well. So that's why you say, oh, go nasong, nge go nasong. For yourself, you can say, nge go nasong. At that time, we witness ourselves. At that time, witness and the action is separated. Action. So, but normally, because of we are unconscious most of the time, we cannot witness ourselves. That's why. That's why song mostly for others. You witness doing others doing something. Okay? That's it. Anything else?
Driva Jempa. Negative forms. Pamin, pamare, masong.
That's it. Pamin. Instead of yin, you can say pamin. Like this. Pamin. Very good. Pamare. That's it. Then masong. Like this. Kasang. Marcelo ki leka che masong. Like this. If supervisor asks me, Kasang, Marcelo ki leka che song eh. Oh, che masong. Kasang, Marcelo ki leka che masong. Like this. Okay?
Haga song. And if you use some other markers of the past, not Kasang, for example, last week, last month,
yes,
it will be like,
same.
how you say last month or last week? Dava, Depa, or how?
We will learn that later, but it's for you. Dawang mema.
Dava Mama. I see.
That's it. Then you can also say Dawasum la. When la. Dawasum la. As 3 months before. If you just say ma, it will be last month. Dawang ma. Like this. This is just for you. We don't need to learn now. Okay? Right now we focus on these three, positive and negative, in the past tense. Don't forget to use action to verb particle. Practice it. Okay? After we learn this, we will learn future tense. Then you have all the tools. Now you just have to add the vocabulary. You know how to identify. You know how to say where it is. You know three tense. After that, we just learn deeper and deeper, longer sentence, more vocabulary. That's all. Okay? Before we move on to that, I want us to note down these important notes and practice it. Okay? That's it. At the same time, try not to forget the past lessons. Okay? We are doing great right now. That's it. So we have already now today past tense depa, tene tata, tatawa. We say tatawa like this as a noun. Okay. That's it. So today I will stop here. I want us to only practice present tense and past tense. Okay, that's it. Just write one sentence, ending in all three difference. Okay, kiyu, kiyuri, kiduk. Payin, pare, song. Negative, positive, whichever you wanna write. Okay, try this, and then you will become good. I will guarantee it. That's it. Just 10 minutes work. Okay? That's it for today. Rashid Dalek, thank you very much. It's nice to see us again. That's it. That's it.
Thank you, Tenzin.
That's it. That's it.
Thank you.
Gelvar Gavajung, Gela.
Genya, when is the next class?
Yeah, when is our next class?
Our next class will be on the Friday, right?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Ni
Shenan.
Dalek, tujiche. That's all. That's it.
Awesome.
Teacher,
Hola.